What's up, everybody? It's your boy Orty bringing you another TLSS update. In this video, I want to just kind of briefly show you some more Wyckoff accumulation. It's on multiple time frames. It's super exciting time. Everybody be ready. I've been trying to warn you of this. I've been trying to tell you the prices that we're going to reach. And I think this video may help you start to understand that. So without delaying it any further, let's just go ahead and get straight on into it. So as you can see on the short term, we have that relief rally that I'm expecting. Should be coming up, and it shouldn't take us to 2 cents. We should stop short of that. But then after that is when we should come down and see that 0125 to 0115, just depending on the narrative and the market at that time. When it does this, I think that will allow the RSI to get down into the 20s like it needs to be. Hopefully a maximum of 25. It would be really nice to get between 18 and 22 on the RSI before we took off on like the daily time frame. So I'm still expecting this relief rally that'll take us just short of 2 cents, and then we'll be entering into phase C, where we have our test, our terminal shakeout potentially. It doesn't have to set a new low. I just think that it will because of the RSI. If it does not set a new low and the RSI does not drop into the 20s, then I don't foresee a possibility of crossing 4 to 5 cents before coming down and retesting these levels again. RSI would be through the roof at that point, and that's why I'm expecting that terminal shakeout to bring us down to that 0125 to 0115. And maybe the narrative at that time will just be that we didn't uplist. And that's really not too big of a deal because we've got the major exchange uplist. I do feel like that reverse split will be coming soon. I have referred to the $7 on my last video, and I had seen some comments about it going to $7. I fully understand that it would take at least one reverse split, and after that, potentially a buyback or even a second reverse split. But to uplist to the major exchanges, they're going to want to be at that $4 to $5 range, so they're going to split to be above that. So maybe that's where they split to, is that 750 mark, to allow for some price action volatility before the actual uplisting. We can also zoom out and look at the weekly and see how well it's matching up to Wyckoff as well, accumulation. I've got this marked right here, July 27th, 2020. You know that we're really zoomed out, so this was an entire year ago. So this is the full TLSS chart right here, and you can see how perfectly it follows this Wyckoff accumulation. So that's why I say it's all over the place, because on the shorter time frame, you can see how we're in accumulation right now. On the longer time frame, you can see how we're in accumulation right now. It's very exciting. We've got a test in spring coming up still on each one of them, but it looks to be the longer time frame closer to that point in relation to time. So it's still several weeks away. September, October looks maybe to be about the time frame to where we would be experiencing some lower lows. Hopefully 0125 will do it. That relief rally, if it can get up to 0.018 or so, 0.019 even, if it could even touch 2 cents, by the time it dropped to 0125, it may have enough time to reset that RSI to the 25. 25 is what you're really shooting for, but anything lower than that is better. So I would like to see 20, because I say between 18 and 22. Super exciting though. 4 hour time frame, you can see it on just recent price action. Weekly time frame, you can see it over the entire course or the entire length of the TLSS chart. So there you have it. That's my view on what's taking place right now. And in my opinion, Richard Wyckoff, absolute genius, way ahead of his time. So many years ago, developed this theory and plays out so well time and time again, even up to this date. That is just truly spectacular, and I'm so glad to be able to participate by using that theory. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. I'm your boy Orty. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my fabulous content. I'll catch you on the next one.